This is Jessica Chats. I'm your host Jessica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a eyebrow tutorial to give you that natural full looking brow. And it only has to take a few minutes, so watch this video, like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows. I already kind of have a little bit of a thick brow, which it took me a little bit to grow out. So what I'm going to show you is how to kind of achieve that natural thick eyebrow look. Very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my edger, and I'm going to clean away all the extra hairs around the area of my eyebrow. Probably going to need to brush it out a little bit first, just to get all those wild hairs. Now I've already kind of done this already, so what I'm basically doing is just retouching it up just a bit. But what you don't want is a lot of fuzzy hairs around your eyebrow, because then once you put your makeup on, it won't be that flawless look. And you kind of want it to look flawless. Effortless, I should say. Once you've achieved the arch that you're desired for, then you want to go ahead and just basically give a little highlight definition around the eyebrow, so that way the eyebrow can pop a little bit more. This is all before you put on your makeup. So I'm using a CoverGirl stick. You can't really see cover on the girl anymore because I've been using this for so long now, but it lasts a long time. It's a nice thick long stick as well. So you just do it along the eyebrow. Then you blend it. And as you're blending, you'll see why you definitely needed to get the fuzzies out. If you see what I see, I kind of got a little fuzzy right there, but it's fine. Nothing to write home about, people. I'm just going to go back over it just a bit. And that's my eyebrow. So that's this one. Here's the finished product. And here's the natural brow. You've seen me do this eyebrow. Now all you have to do is just repeat what I did here on your other eyebrow, and you're done. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes most on just your eyebrows. I will do a makeup tutorial on a different video. Right now I'm just showing you how to do your brows. Comment below if you like it. If you want to see me do something different, that's fine. Like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Again, this is Jessica with Jessica Chats. Thank you for watching. Bye.